to our Pringles factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Pringles chips are made, from raw potatoes all the way.
Every can of Pringles starts right here at the factory. Fresh potatoes and specially Before becoming Pringles, the potatoes go through a deep cleaning process. Powerful machines wash and prepare to create the unique taste and texture of Pringles. The factory carefully measures potato flakes and special flour.
Here inside the Pringles factory, the prepared ingredients are blended together. Potato flakes and special flours mixed with water.
To keep every Pringles chip perfect, technicians constantly monitor the mixing process. Advanced systems track
Once the dough is perfectly blended, the Pringles mixture moves through the factory pipelines toward the shaping machines, where the iconic Pringles chip will begin to take form.
Inside the Pringles factory, the prepared dough is rolled into ultra-thin sheets. This smooth Pringles dough layer is the
Special molds give Pringles their famous curved shape. Each chip is carefully cut and placed into forming molds, so every Pringles chip looks identical.
After shaping, the Pringles chips are cooked in large industrial fryers. This process gives Pringles their golden color and the light crispy texture people love.
After frying, the Pringles chips move into large seasoning drums. Here, special Pringles flavor blends are
Next, the perfectly stacked Pringles chips are placed into the famous Pringles cans. This unique packaging keeps every Pringles chip protected and perfectly shaped.
once sealed and labeled. The finished Pringles cans move through the packaging line, ready to be packed and shipped to stores around the world. Before leaving the factory, every Pringles can goes through strict quality inspection. Advanced sensors and trained workers After inspection, thousands of Pringles cans are packed into boxes and moved to the warehouse, where they are prepared for delivery to stores around the world. From raw ingredients to the famous stacked chips, that's how Pringles are made and delivered from the factory to snack lovers everywhere.
And that's how Pringles are made, from raw ingredients all the way to the perfectly stacked chips.
From carefully prepared ingredients to perfectly packaged cans.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.